Hello, this is Kyle from Bywater Solutions, and I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on how to use the backdoor password for the Libki client on the desktop. So, I have started with an installer here, and I'm just going to quickly run through these things. If you're a Bywater partner, these are all pre-configured for you until we get to the password field. So I am going to put in my own password here and just finish up the installation. And now I am going to go ahead and launch the Libki client. And here we are at the Libki client login screen. So to use the backdoor password, you leave the username blank and then you put in that password. And when you do, the client will go ahead and shut down and you will have full access to the desktop. I hope this has been helpful.